Here's another example of the equation of a parabola. So our parabola has directrix x equal to minus 2 and focus equal to the point 10, 4. Find the equation of the parabola. So let's draw our items in. First, we're going to have a vertical line at x equal to minus 2. So we're going to mark off minus 2, put our vertical line in. That's our directrix. Then I have the point 10, 4 for our focus. So we'll come over 10, come up 4, we have our focus there. The focus is not actually on the parabola. What this does for us, if I take any point on the parabola, the distance from that point to the focus will be the same as the distance from that point to the directrix. And here we're talking shortest distance from a point to a line. Now, if you note with the geometry, first, our parabola is going to have to face to the right. So this means we're going to have a y squared in our equation. Now, if I have a y squared in the equation, that means we're going to use the standard form 4p x minus x0 equals y minus y0 squared. So what are we looking for here? We're looking for the vertex x0, y0, and we're looking for p. What is p? P is going to have two items attached to it. It's going to have a sign. If my parabola faces to the right, it's a positive sign. If it faces to the left, it's a negative. So here, we're going to have facing to the right, so p is going to be positive. Next, p is going to be the distance from the focus to the vertex. That distance is also going to be equal to the distance from the vertex to the directrix. So this distance is p, and then this distance is p. Now you'll notice the distance from the directrix to the focus is going to be 2p. We can actually calculate that. If you notice, the distance from our directrix to the y-axis, that's just going to be 2. Okay, we're only off by 2 here. And then the distance from the y-axis to our point is going to be 10. Okay, we're over x by 10. So that means this distance to our point is going to be 12. That means p is going to be equal to 6. Now, I want to find the vertex. Where's the vertex? Well, note the vertex is going to have the same y value as our focus. That just means it's on the same horizontal line, but it's going to be midway between our focus and the directrix. So we're going to have to find the new x value for the vertex. Well, here we have the x value is going to be 10. Here it's going to be minus 2. So if I want to find the midpoint, I add 10 and minus 2 and then cut it in half. So that gives me a 4. So our vertex is going to be the point 4, 4. If you didn't like the way I worked that out, another way to think of it, we know the distance from our directrix to the focus is 12. So half that distance is going to be 6. If I subtract 6 off of the 10, since we're moving along x, that's also going to give me 4, 4. So now we have everything we need. P is equal to 6, x0, y0 is equal to 4, 4. I can just stick them directly into my equation, and what do we get? 24x minus 4 equals y minus 4 squared.